This hackathon is about allowing students and professionals to fast-track their careers by working on challenges posed by some of the most interesting companies out there.
Yeah, so I just turned up to the event. I was a bit of a late joiner, so I didn't quite organize the team beforehand, but I turned up, just walked around the room, said hello to a bunch of people, and we sort of basically stood together, tried to split the team up. Eventually, we got teams together. Yeah, and so now we're just, we sat down at a table, just brainstorming a whole bunch, and we've actually got our solution in place now.
Yeah, so we're doing the AudioTool challenge. We're trying to integrate OSC, or Open Sound Control, which is kind of like a more modern version of MIDI, I guess, that a lot of live coding stuff uses. So we're trying to integrate that into AudioTool. And we want to do this because, I mean, OSC is just very nice. It's like an open protocol. It's good to have ways for things to be integrated between each other and everything sort of be nice and open. And it sort of just like lets you use things in different interesting ways.
So we have the Associated Board of the Royal Schools of Music presenting a challenge about assessing exams and using AI to help fast-track that assessment. We have AudioTool presenting a new way of creating plugins for their web audio workstation, so you can create a plugin in another tab of the browser. And we have MuseHub, where the prize for MuseHub and the challenge is to create a creative hack application or plugin that MuseHub will promote on its website as kind of the indie app of the month.
We all kind of have quite different backgrounds, like yours is in AI and robotics, whereas yours is in software engineering, and mine is in like art and technology, so it's all quite varied.
These are always fun. This hackathon was incredibly fun. You can figure out how to work as a team, learn new stuff, and you can make something for musicians and artists, and that's really cool. Yeah.
Because we're opening up our API to developers now, what that enables is for people to build apps that assist people using our program. So companion apps that help you write chord progressions, or something that just like gamifies the making of the music experience by doing something else.
I think it's interesting, the sort of icky thing that some people have to do when doing these kind of fast presentations is think like a product owner or think like a salesperson. You know, what problems are you solving? What's the thing? Big reveal. Oh, that's great. And then, you know, and you nailed that, you know, like really well-structured problem solution right at the start. And some nice visuals as well. You get to see what the user sees at the end. And we looked at it and we believed it. We actually spoke about it for ages. We were talking about like, what technically could it do? What do we think it's doing now? Do we think it just said explosion and then just looked for something that had the tag explosion next to it? And we were kind of believed that this could be really good. The product sales pitch kind of helped us kind of buy into it more. And seeing it, you know, at the end, that's so important, is like, what does the user see? It's like the classic way you have to finish a presentation.
I think that just giving people a space to put their creativity and their technical skills to the test with a clear goal that they can work towards as closely or as widely as they want, with the ability to, you know, get either recognition or a prize is a great incentive.
It was very interesting also for us to see challenges when working with the API. You're going to win $5,000 in Google Cloud credits, and we would like to invite all the projects to allow us to host your project page or a website if you would like that, and we would also like to feature you on our website once we launch publicly.
Data scientists, software engineers, UX designers, product managers to work together and bring their skills to make a unique solution in 24 hours that can help our sponsors to get faster to where they want to be.
Firstly, I guess well done to everybody. It sounds like you've had quite an intensive, just over 24 hours, but for me as someone coming into this world, which isn't usually my space, just seeing kind of what you've put together in such a short space of time is really impressive. But yes, I think overall, sounds like me, just kind of felt quite fully formed in what was presented back to us. Looking forward to hosting you next year and coming along and hopefully being inspired by what you see at the festival.